Okay, some cables, and I don't know which one is on what. So there we go.
I want to make a few improvements to my email scheduler, so there's nothing here marking where the rag and the pen go. There's nowhere to mark where you put these once you've used them. And on this sign, that writing is pretty much too small to read, so I'm going to improve that sign as well. So I've made some new little labels here. So I've got one for the rag, got one for the pen, some proper markers here for weekend markers. It fits perfectly on there. And over here, we've got the marker of which one's being sent next, so that one's going out today. And here we've got better sign for email schedule in general. Very small improvement here, but when I'm making the labels, I've got my colours here that correspond to the ribbon. I've noticed that when I'm using the blue one, when I go to print, it brings it up as dark blue, which means I have to manually change from being dark blue just to standard blue. So what I'm going to do is change the colour of that. So I've figured out a blue that works well with it. I'm going to change it just to that. So now I won't have to change the settings in the printer. It'll go through as blue easily. Since the summit, we've had all of these pairs of safety glasses sat here, so I want to do something with them proper. This also needs improving to be something proper with a restock marker. So I've added them to the stationery shelf there. I've got a label here for it and a label for the box. The box is a little bit full, so I probably will make a second one and put it behind it, but for now, it's good. An upgrade here where it previously just said glasses, I've now added a little icon and instructions on where to restock them from.
So every day after editing the 3S and improvement video, I upload to YouTube and then I have to share it onto our Trello for our morning meeting. So we go to share, go across to more, and then add to Trello card. It's not much time, but I've made an improvement which saves me doing that every day. So I've used this web service called Zapier.com, and basically whenever a new video goes into the 3S and improvement playlist, it automatically uploads to Trello. So as soon as I've uploaded a video, I haven't got to do anything ever again. It basically does it itself. And here's the card in our Trello, ready for our morning meeting. We've eliminated the struggle and saved a minute every day.
Okay, so nice little improvement today. I just had Jake make me a little miniature tool panel, so when I'm folding the attachments that go onto it, I can test them right here easily where I am. Thank you.
My improvement for today is a backing plate for my XL4 rack, stopping the containers from falling off and going down the back. There we go. Oh, oops, right. There we go. Thank you very much.
So this is just a before and after from Damien. So as you can see, there's no guard on the back of his welding table. So he's put one there, one to stop things from falling down the back that was happening, but two so he can now start housing certain things that he needs.
So hi there. So I came in this morning to make myself coffee. I noticed some of these trays are just a little bit dirty, so I'm going to leave them, give them a clean and leave them better than what I've left them. And there you go, all nice and clean. And some new sponges as well, keeping the place premium.